Hi, my name's Darren Darling. I'm the Technical Director of DC Lubricants, and I'm here today just to talk through one of our products. So today I'm going to talk about the Emissions DETOX Pro Diesel and the advantages of having a powerful all-in-one product. Traditionally, you would need to have 5 individual products instead of our single can of Emissions DETOX Pro. So the beauty of that is, no matter what the purpose of the in-tank additive is, this can has got you covered. So it's a small can with a big punch, and we have Injector Cleaner, EGR Cleaner, Turbo Cleaner, DPF Cleaner in there, and it also is applicable to a pre-MOT test treatment, so it's going to clean up your emissions very, very quickly. For me, the advantage of this is the simplicity of it. One can on the shelf, so we don't need to have 5, and no matter what the purpose is, it's going to do the job. Now, if you are doing it as a routine maintenance as part of your annual service, and you may traditionally use a fuel system cleaner, then we have the added advantage. It's also going to have a clean-up effect on EGR, Turbo and DPF. Really important. And here, myself as a DPF specialist, the DPF Cleaner in here is very powerful, very safe, and we have no temperature spikes. That's really, really important. So one can, multiple applications, very simple and easy to understand. And if you're a stockist, less products on the shelf.